Hello everyone, this is Moses from Zatar Gardens, and this is Shant. Hi Shant, he's almost as tall as me now. If you guys remember, he was about this tall running around the garden. What was it, almost 10 years ago now. So obviously you can tell we got pineapple guavas. I have a whole shoebox full of them. I have a short, YouTube Shorts I haven't uploaded yet on that. But we're gonna be harvesting the Satsuma Mandarins here. You can see how many. We gotta work on this one first before that branch breaks, but you can see how much there is. Wood chips, fish emulsion, and seaweed. That's all I do.
Well, we'll stop eating grass.
She still eats grass. I don't know. All right, everybody. But yeah, that's what we're gonna be doing right now. Satsuma Mandarin is not the best tasting mandarin, but the reason why people buy it is because the skin is loose. You can pop out right out of the skin. You don't have to really peel it that much. Like when it gets really ripe, you could shake it and you could hear the fruit inside of the skin just shaking around. All right, everybody. Say bye, Shant.
Goodbye.
Bye, everybody. Happy gardening. Bye.